Don't look elsewhere before you read these superb advice about gold. Because of the dollar's decline, plenty of folks switch to alternative investment vehicles. Customarily, when value of currency lowers, the need for gold begins to rise. Adhere to the tips presented here as you may consider some great benefits of making an investment in gold. Always make delivery arrangements before purchasing gold from your vendor. Delivery times are crucial. If a seller provides you with anything aside from immediate delivery, you should have some form of written contract or guarantee as soon as your pieces are arriving. The date of arrival should be something you will see listed. If you fail to buy this document, will not complete your order. You might shy away due to gold's price, which might get you to go for gold-filled or gold-plated jewelry instead. However, you are able to still find a deal occasionally, which you can change and then sell on for any profit. Find cheap gold in pawn shops or online. If you're selling gold using a mail-in service, do your research around the company along with its policies before making a commitment. Ensure your shipment, and have a solid confirmation of when you can expect to be paid. Lastly, take a photo of all the wish you placed into the package in the event there's a concern later. When purchasing a bit of gold jewelry for an individual else, make sure you will find a return policy. You will find time where you might need to return the jewelry. As this isn't rare, it's vital that you have the capacity to return the jewelry for any refund if it's necessary. If you're uncertain about value of your jewelry, you may have an appraisal done. This may cost you a small fee, however it is very important if you want to know the true importance of your item. Seek out an independent appraiser that is properly accredited if you need by far the most accurate value. If you choose to sell, bear in mind that it's not likely for you to get full retail value of your item. Get a good grasp about what you have. A lot of things appear like solid gold, however they are not. In many cases, other metals are combined with gold to give some strength on the metal. This generates a price reduction. Gold-plated merchandise is subject to this too. In case you are unclear about everything you have, you might like to get it appraised prior to you sell it off. You need to look into the gold market long before you make a great investment. There will most likely be people proclaiming that they are fully aware what they're referring to simply so you're likely to invest with them. But, be wary about get wealthy quick schemes. Gold investing ought to be long-term investments. It is possible to sell gold by mailing it to your buyer. Lots of sellers prefer this procedure due to simplicity. You obtain a prepaid envelope, put the jewelry within it, ship it, and acquire look for it. Even though this method of selling your gold is convenient, you may not get top dollar for your personal gold. In a few cases you can find 30% less for a piece, so understand that. Tend not to sell your gold in the interest of selling it. Gold pricing is always going up. Though it continues to be high lately, it could eventually get even higher. When you don't have to have the money, hold on to your gold. When selling gold, separate it into different carat value groups. The carat value determines the gold's value, which means you are unlikely to acquire the best price for the gold if it is all weighed together. Gold with higher carat value is far more pure and thus more valuable. Over the past decade, the price of gold has risen by 400%. This can be good news for folks who desire to sell their gold. The alterations in currency value affect the value of gold. Essentially, a weak dollar means strong gold prices. What exactly is the buyback policy on the seller you need to order from? Reselling gold is often done in a premium. Find out when it is worth mailing out big gold coins or bars to buyers not located in the area. You don't want to purchase gold just to leave it with all the dealer. As with other kinds of investments, gold must be held long term. That means you don't just buy gold when the pricing is high. That is certainly usually not the optimum time to purchase for investing. Buying gold steadily as time passes since the value rises and falls actually give you a better return over time. You won't get full melt value for your personal gold. Business with gold is just like almost any business. Because of this, they have to produce a margin on your own gold as well. Plan to receive offers which can be 30 to 50% below the total value. Ensure you understand what you're purchasing. Some coins out there that you might think are gold are actually gold plated. If you would like the true deal, possess the coin appraised before purchasing. Gold investing is not something that may be timed. These investments are viewed wealth insurance. By trying to time your gold purchase, for you to do so when things seem quiet, there might be a gold shortage if the economy is bad. Keep an eye on gold prices prior to unloading your items. This is because gold prices fluctuate daily, therefore, you need to determine when you should sell. You get accustomed to the flow and ebb and how the purchase price fluctuates. You want to do your research before purchasing gold. See what gold's value is prior to deciding to sell it. When you're selling gold pieces, some dealers think you just want quick cash. This information is most likely the difference between profit and loss. The site, www.goldprice.org, is a helpful resource for checking the actual cost of gold. There are actually different strategies involved when you choose to invest in gold as well as other precious metals. While many find riches dealing in silver and platinum, others have the ability to reach their set goals with gold. The content above is full of resourceful information. Will get started right in gold investing.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.